Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. If you want to transfer your living room into the beachy idealist room with this coastal decors idea, you will not believe the differences it makes. Welcome back, the decors lovers. Today, I am very excited to share the different captivating and the coastal living rooms decor ideas that will transform you to beachy amazing wonderland place right in your own home. Get ready to dive into the southing words of a coastal living room decor ideas for a beachy waves. We will explore how to infuse that the laid back and the seaside charms into your living space. Now let's address the challenges many face when trying to recreate a relaxing beachy atmosphere in the living room. It can be tricky to strike the right balance between the coastal elements and cozy inviting ambience. Yeah, you can see that different styles and different colorful sofas and the sitting areas and tables and decoration pieces and how to keep in the different places that enhance the beauty of your living room. And you can see that different amazing colors like a soft blue and the sandy naturals and the scrape whites textures such as weathered wood and the woven patterns and the breezy lines can also play a key role that enhance the beauty of your living rooms. Don't forget to add the beach inspired accessories like seashells and the driftwood essence and the different natural strips to complete the different amazing things. And here's comes to exciting parts, the unique decors idea that will the beachy home